Welcome to First Capital Dumpster Rental, your premier choice for residential dumpster rental in Circleville, Ohio. We're dedicated to providing top-notch waste management solutions for your home projects. First Capital Dumpster Rental offers various dumpster sizes to meet residential needs. Whether it's a home renovation or yard cleanup, we have the perfect dumpster. Our dumpsters are clean, sturdy, and ready for immediate use, ensuring you get the best quality. With First Capital Dumpster Rental, you can trust that your waste will be handled efficiently and responsibly. We're committed to providing exceptional customer service and helping you find the right dumpster. First Capital Dumpster Rental ensures prompt delivery and pickup, keeping your project on schedule. We work around your timeline to make the process as convenient as possible. Ready to rent a dumpster? Contact First Capital Dumpster Rental at 740-412-5633 and our knowledgeable team is here to assist you every step of the way. For an easy booking experience, visit www.fcdrental.com. Dumpster Rental Circleville, OH. Enjoy quick access to a range of dumpster options, transparent pricing, and flexible rental periods. First Capital Dumpster Rental, your trusted partner for residential dumpster rental in Circleville, Ohio, where convenience meets quality.